Have you ever struggled with giving a presentation on Zoom, Skype, or Teams calls? Juggling notes, maintaining eye contact with the camera, and managing multiple windows on your screen can be quite a challenge. Well, it's time to say goodbye to those problems. Meet the Leeventi Teleprompter, the ultimate solution to your online presentation woes. This clever gadget promises universal compatibility with all laptop brands and assembles with surprising ease. Plus, it's not just for laptops, it works perfectly with smartphones and small tablets too. The Leeventi Teleprompter is not just a device, it's your personal presentation assistant. So what makes the Leeventi Teleprompter a game changer for online presentations? Well, let's dive right in. The Leeventi Teleprompter is a universal fit, compatible with all laptop brands. It's a tool designed to elevate your online presentations, whether you're on Zoom, Skype, or Teams calls. But it's not just about compatibility. The Leeventi Teleprompter is user-friendly, even for the tech-challenged among us. Its ease of assembly is truly impressive, making it a breeze to set up. What's more, it works seamlessly with your smartphone or small tablet. The real game changer, however, is in the way it helps maintain eye contact and keeps you on track with your notes. With the Leeventi Teleprompter, you're not just presenting, you're performing. In summary, the Leeventi Teleprompter is more than just a teleprompter. It's a universal solution for enhancing online presentations, boasting easy assembly and compatibility with all laptop brands. It's a game changer for Zoom, Skype, or Teams calls. The Leeventi Teleprompter, your ticket to seamless and professional online presentations. Try it today and experience the difference.